Mini PCs have completely changed the game in 2026. What used to be small, underpowered boxes are now capable of handling everything from office work to gaming and even 4K video editing, all while taking up almost no space on your desk. But here's the problem. With so many options out there, it's hard to know which one is actually worth your money. So in this video, we've ranked the top 5 best mini PCs in 2026, from budget-friendly options to full-blown performance machines. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's start. Number 1. GEEKOM A7 Max. The GEEKOM A7 Max comes packed with an AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB SSD with support for expansion. This mini PC is built for serious performance. The Ryzen 9 chip inside is the same class of processor you'd find in high-end laptops, which means it can handle demanding tasks like video editing, 3D work, coding, and even gaming. The integrated Radeon 780M graphics are among the best you can get without a dedicated GPU. You can comfortably play esports titles, do creative work, and even edit 4K footage. It also supports USB 4 and 8K output, making it incredibly future-proof. The build quality feels premium, and the thermal management is surprisingly good for such a compact device. In everyday use, everything feels instant. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and there's virtually no lag even under heavy workloads. Pros: flagship-level performance, strong integrated graphics, future-proof connectivity, expandable storage. If you want the absolute best mini PC in 2026 with no compromises, this is it. Number 2. Beelink SER5 Max. The Beelink SER5 Max features a Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, 24GB LPDDR5 RAM, and a 500GB SSD. This mini PC hits a sweet spot between performance and price. The Ryzen 7 processor is powerful enough for demanding workloads, and the 24GB of RAM gives it a huge advantage in multitasking. Whether you're running multiple browser tabs, editing photos, or using productivity software, it handles everything smoothly. It also supports 3 4K displays, which is perfect for professionals or anyone running a multi-monitor setup. You'll notice smoother multitasking compared to most mini PCs in this range, especially when switching between heavy applications. Pros: excellent multitasking performance, large RAM capacity, strong CPU performance, great connectivity. One of the best performance-to-price mini PCs you can buy right now. Number 3. KAMRUI Mini PC. This KAMRUI Mini PC is powered by the Ryzen 7 7735HS with 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and a 512GB SSD. This is a great mid-range option that balances power and affordability. It's capable of handling multitasking, streaming, office work, and even some light gaming. The triple display support is a big plus, especially if you're working with multiple screens. It also includes fast networking with 2.5 gigabit LAN, which is great for stable internet performance. In day-to-day tasks, it feels fast and responsive. It's a reliable option for both work and entertainment. Pros: strong mid-range performance, good multitasking ability, triple display support, fast network speeds. A great all-rounder mini PC that offers solid value for money. Number 4. ACEMAGIC V1 Mini PC. This ACEMAGIC V1 comes with an Intel N150 processor, 16GB DDR4 RAM, and a large 1TB SSD. This mini PC is designed for everyday users who want reliability and storage. The processor is more suited for light tasks like browsing, streaming, and office work, but it performs well within that range. The 1TB SSD is a major advantage, especially if you store a lot of files, videos, or documents. For daily use like YouTube, Netflix, Microsoft Office, and web browsing, it runs smoothly without issues. Pros: large storage capacity, smooth for daily tasks, compact and quiet, great for media consumption. A reliable mini PC for casual users and home office setups. Number 5. GMKtec Nukebox G3 Pro. This mini PC includes an Intel Core i3-10110U, 8GB RAM, and 256GB SSD. This is the most budget-friendly option on the list. It's designed for basic computing needs like browsing, email, and document editing. While it doesn't have the power of the other mini PCs, it still delivers decent performance for its price. For simple tasks, it works fine, but you'll notice limitations if you try to push it too hard. Pros: affordable, compact design, easy to use, good for basic tasks. Cons: limited performance, low storage and RAM. A good entry-level mini PC for light users or beginners. So, that was our list of the top 5 best mini PCs in 2026. If you want top-tier performance, the GEEKOM A7 Max is the clear winner. For a balance of power and price, the Beelink SER5 Max is a fantastic choice. And if you're on a budget, the GMKtec still gets the job done. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.